Yo, Khalid, what are you trying to do today?
Yo, I think we should make a ball float, you know. Right?
Hey! Khalid, I did the reality sketch and visual diagram for the floating ball experiment. Alright, so this is the reality sketch, and that's the hairdryer pushing fast-moving air out to the ball at the same force as the force of gravity moving downwards. So they would have to be the same force for the ball to remain in midair. And then, so the ball always stays exactly above the center of the hairdryer, not moving left or to the right of the hairdryer, because of Bernoulli's principle. So, yeah. And this is a physics diagram over here showing that, the force of air on the ball. And then this is the weight. This shows the weight of gravity on the ball. And they are equal, so, the ball can stay in midair. Alright, yeah.
Yay. Alright, let me focus.
Tilt it. Tilt it.
I am tilting it.
Stop. You're gonna do something stupid, I can tell. Do it again. The mass of the ball is 0.002 kilograms, and then the acceleration due to gravity going downwards is 9.8 meters per second. So if you put that in the equation, F equals ma, you get the forces going downwards so it's 0.0196 newtons downwards. So, and then for the force going upwards, so this would be the hair dryer force on the ball. So it would be the same mass as 0.002 kilograms, and then the acceleration will also be the same, except be going upwards. It'd be 9.8 meters per second squared. So the force would also be 0.0196 newtons, but except this would be positive. So then when you put it in the equation, when you're trying to find the net force, you put it in the equation, net force equals F1 plus F2. So you would add these two forces, negative 0.0196 newtons and plus 0.0196 newtons, and you get a net force of 0 newtons. So the net force would be 0 newtons, so showing that the ball is in midair.
Bernoulli's principle states that as the velocity of a fluid or air increases, the pressure by that fluid decreases. In this case, the ball is placed in the airstream created by the hairdryer. The air increases velocity as it moves around the ball. The reason this happens is the air has to travel around the ball, and then it meets with the air on the other side. When the velocity of the air increases as it moves around the ball, the air pressure around it drops, causing the ball to be trapped in a column of low pressurized air. Bernoulli's principle also applies to airplanes. Airplanes' wings have an airfoil shape. Air travels slower on the bottom of the wing, creating more pressure. The air travels faster on top, creating less pressure. This creates lift as the upward force of the airplane. Hey, you know what's a shout out to fam, BC, but